In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate ClickUp with Notion, enabling you to streamline your workflows and enhance productivity by bringing these two powerful tools together. Let's explore both methods you can use to achieve this integration: importing a Notion workspace into ClickUp and connecting your Notion account to ClickUp. To start with, importing a Notion workspace into ClickUp can be done quite easily. First, you'll want to navigate to your ClickUp settings and look for the Import/Export section. Once you're there, select the option that says Start Import, and then choose Notion from the available choices. This part involves taking your Notion export file, make sure it's ready and available, and uploading it into ClickUp. During this process, you'll be prompted to decide where you'd like to import the content. It could be a new space that you're setting up just for this, or it could be integrated into an existing space where you're already working. You might also have options to map users or invite new ones as needed. Once you've made those decisions, hit the Import button, and ClickUp will take it from there, integrating your Notion workspace smoothly into your chosen ClickUp space. Now, turning to the second method, connecting your Notion account directly to ClickUp. Start by accessing the ClickUp App Center. This is where you'll find all the integrations you can set up. Search for the Notion app there, and once it appears, select Connect to authorize the integration. Here's a key point to remember. When you're choosing which pages to share, consider that any pages you do share may be visible to your entire team, so choose wisely based on your privacy needs. It's also important to note that you can connect multiple Notion accounts if you're managing different projects or teams. Once you're all set up, you'll find it's easy to paste Notion links directly into your ClickUp tasks. You have the flexibility to display these links as previews, mentions, or just simple URLs depending on what works best for your workflow. Plus, ClickUp provides an app panel in the task view, allowing you to manage and view all your Notion links in one place. An added bonus is the ability to use ClickUp commands to create new Notion pages directly from ClickUp, boosting your productivity. This integration is incredibly beneficial as it facilitates linking tasks and documentation across platforms, creating a unified view of your project management and documentation needs. Imagine being able to embed ClickUp tasks within Notion and vice versa. It's a game changer for anyone keen on improving collaboration. This cross-platform linking significantly streamlines workflows and enhances communication. You'll find that managing tasks in ClickUp while simultaneously referencing Notion documentation centralizes your task management process, making it more effective than ever before. With these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your productivity and collaboration by integrating ClickUp and Notion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of these versatile tools.